Welcome back. Today I will solve remaining question of exercise 8.4. Exercise 8.4. Question number 5. Prove that second part cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equal to 2 sec A. So, prove that LHS is equal to this, RHS is equal to this. Now, taking LHS, cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. So, now taking LCM, 1 plus sin A and cos A into cos A. So, 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A cancel out. So, rest cos A multiply by cos A. So, cos square A plus also cos A divide this. So, cos cancel out. So, remaining 1 plus sin A multiply by 1 plus sin A. So, get 1 plus sin A whole square. So, taking LHS, cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Now, taking LCM, 1 plus sin A into cos A. So, denominator this 1 plus sin A, so LCM 1 plus sin A cos A. Divide in this 1 plus sin, so 1 plus sin cancel out. So, remaining cos A into multiply by cos, get cos square. Also, cos A and cos A divide, so cancel out. So, remaining 1 plus sin A multiply by 1 plus sin O. So, 1 plus sin A whole square. So, now cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square or A plus B whole square. So, 1 square plus B square sin square A plus 2 into 1 into sin A. 1 square A plus B whole square or 1 plus sin square. So, 1 square plus sin square plus 2 into 1 into sin A upon 1 plus sin A and into cos A, and also cos square A plus sin square A plus 1 square 1 plus 2 into 1 2 sin A. Divide by 1 plus sin A and cos A. So, also get identity cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. So, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. So, 2 common out, 1 plus sin A, 2 can common out, 2 in 1 plus 2 common out. So, sin A upon written 1 plus sin A into cos A. So cancel out. So 2 upon cos A is equal to 2 upon 1 plus cos A. So 2 sec A. 1 upon cos A reverse sec A. So this is RHS proof that. Question number third part in fifth, prove that tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Now taking LHS. So LHS tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta and also cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Now tan cot change into sin cos. So sin theta upon cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta and also cos theta upon sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. So tan theta is equal to sin upon cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta and also cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. So now sin theta upon cos theta upon taking LCM sin theta is equal to sin theta minus cos theta and also plus cos theta upon sin theta upon taking LCM cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. Also you can see is so sin theta reverse in numerator, so sin square theta, sin theta into sin theta, so sin square theta upon cos theta in bracket sin theta minus cos theta and plus. So cos theta reverse in numerator, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta upon and also sin theta in bracket cos theta minus sin theta. So also you can write sin square theta upon cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. So change into this minus common out, so plus minus, so cos square theta and sin theta, so minus common out plus, so minus and reverse, so sin theta minus cos theta. Also taking LCM get cos theta into sin theta and sin theta minus cos theta, both are same, so can write and so divide in this, so cos cancel out, sin minus cos cancel out, rest sin theta, so sin square theta multiply by sin theta get sin की power q theta and also divide by in this, so sin cancel out, sin minus cos theta, sin minus cos theta cancel out, so remaining cos theta and cos square theta, so get cos q theta. Also you can write aq minus bq. So sin a minus b or aq minus bq is equal to a minus b and a square plus b square plus a into b. So use this formula in this place. So sin aq minus bq, a minus b, so sin theta minus cos theta, and also sin square theta plus cos square theta and plus sin theta into cos theta, and upon cos theta sin theta in bracket sin theta minus cos theta. Also you can solve. So sin and sin minus theta cancel out. So identity sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. So separating LCM 1 upon sin theta cos theta and plus sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. So 1 upon sin theta cos theta sec theta cosec theta cosec theta, यानी 1 upon sin cosec theta, 1 upon cos sec theta, and cancel out plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. This is right hand side proved that. Fourth part, in fifth question, prove that 1 plus sec a upon sec a is equal to sin square a upon 1 minus cos a. So now taking LHS, so 1 plus sec a upon sec a. So 1 plus sec a change into reverse 1 upon cos a upon sec a 1 upon cos a. Also can you write taking LCM, so cos a plus 1 and upon cos a. So also 1 upon cos a. So cos a cancel out. So is equal to cos a plus 1 and upon 1, and also you can write 1 plus cos a upon 1. So now change in this RHS. So you multiply 1 minus cos a and also multiply by 1 minus cos a. So a plus b, a minus b multiply by 1 plus cos A 1 minus cos A numerator or denominator. So we get this. So A plus B 1 minus cos square A upon 1 minus cos A. So 1 minus cos square A by identity sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. This is RHS proved. थैंक यू। 4 क्वेश्चन